With Studio Advanced, we can use Toolkit for Shrink Sleeves not only to add a shrink sleeve label or a wrap to a product, but we also can add a pre-distortion to the artwork so we can correctly see the graphics on the distorted shrink. Let's take a look how this works. Here we have a spray bottle with a shrink label that was applied to this custom shape with Studio Toolkit for Shrink Sleeves, and now the graphics are applied in Studio. We can see the artwork in certain areas is distorted to follow the applied shrink label. Let's select the Zero Error brand name graphic, and we can go to the Studio Toolkit for Shrink Sleeves in the menu and select Pre-Distortion. In the Pre-Distort window, press the Pre-Distort button and we instantly calculate the amount of pre-distortion that is required to correct the distorted graphics on the packaging. We can adjust the strength of the pre-distortion and then press OK, and then the artwork is pre-distorted to the correct amount, and we can see in the Studio 3D window that the Zero Errors brand name graphic now looks straight. The graphics on the artwork are now pre-distorted, but at any time we can revert back to its original state or adjust the pre-distortion. We can now go around this label and add pre-distortion to the elements that we want to visually correct. Applying pre-distortion to this panel instantly removes the bowed bottom and top lines. Also use the Studio 3D guides to check the position on both the 2D artwork and the 3D view in Studio. To take it a step further, I've made a multi-pack with the original shrink label bottle. I've applied a shrink wrap around 3 of the bottles in Studio Toolkit for Shrink Sleeves. Again, let's navigate around the pack and apply pre-distortion. And here we have 2 different shrink applications with 2 different artworks and with pre-distorted graphics. This really gives us some unique tools and options when we design on shrink sleeve labels or wraps.